What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm so happy to be here. I haven't made a video in a long time, but today we're gonna make some ice cream. And to make this ice cream, you don't need to use the freezer at all. It's gonna be a really easy ice cream to make. So enjoy. All you're gonna need is a half cup of whole milk, and also a half cup of heavy whipping cream, and 1/4 a cup of sugar, and like a 1 squirt of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of salt and some ice. Okay, so first let's take the half cup of milk, and we need heavy whipping cream, half cup of heavy whipping cream. Next, we're gonna take the sugar, 1/4 cup of sugar. I'm gonna put it inside. And then we're just gonna do 1 squirt of pure vanilla extract. And then after you have all those ingredients inside, you wanna mix it with a spoon. So let's mix that up. Guys, but this ice cream is really quick to make, it's really easy, and it only just takes like 5 minutes. So if you guys enjoyed this, you guys have to try it. And it's really easy to make. You can really impress your parents on making this ice cream because it's so easy and quick to make. Okay, we're done mixing. We're gonna take a Ziploc bag, but you want like another Ziploc bag that is just a little bit bigger than the other one. So we're gonna use a smaller bag, and we're gonna try to put our mixture into this bag. Okay, so we got it in there. You want to close it really good. Take some air out like that. Zip it up just like that. After that, we're gonna take this bigger bag and put ice in it. Okay, now you have the bag of ice. You want to take a bunch of like salt, pour it onto the ice like this. We're gonna pour it onto the ice like that, all over. We're gonna mix the ice with the salt like that. Now, really quick, make sure this is tight, your ice cream, and we're gonna put it inside the bag like that. But first, you want to take a towel and wrap around it so the bag will be really cold. You want to wrap it around and just shake it for 5 minutes like this. And summer is here, so this is a good food hack right here. And now, guys, we are done making our ice cream. Let's go taste test. Open the big bag and pull out your lovely ice cream. Oh, and there's your lovely ice cream. See that ice cream right there? It's homemade ice cream. Look at that. This tastes so lovely. How does it taste?
Tastes very good.
Very good?
Yeah, tasty and sweet.
Okay, so my dad approves it. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Have a great rest of your day, and peace out.